Hi everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is a buyer beware. PEX Plumbing with plastic Manablock Manifold. So first of all, before we get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon to be notified new videos, and really push that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. Alright, first of all, this is my home. I'm not paid by any company to make this video, but I'm going to tell you what I learned so maybe I help somebody out there. First of all, this is called a manifold or mega block manifold, and Vanguard Piping Systems is the one that I have right here. Somehow that company got in trouble, I guess, and maybe changed their name or they resold it, and the new company is called Viega, right? So not to glamorize the other company, but the system works pretty good over the years. So the home is 18 years old and they're selling this thing for like 10-year warranty, and it's leaking right now. You can see that over here. So I have connections that are 3/8 inch and half inch, and different connections to different parts of the faucet, house, bathroom, etc. And I traced down which one's leaking, but that's not the real story. The real story is that I cannot find the part anymore. It's discontinued as of last year. So making this video definitely won't help that. The water go all the way down, of course, and I got wood down there, and I don't want it to get damaged. You can see it's quite wet over there, right? So looking for alternatives. So if you're looking to install one of these, a few things you want to consider. Well, if you go for the plastic mega block manifold, when it's gonna leak one day, and it will leak one day, it's guaranteed to leak one day because it's plastic, right? So just be really, not be alert or surprised that, hey, I told you so. So, and finding the model that you need to buy may not be there waiting for you, and it's gonna be totally changed. You just can't get one of those parts. I don't know they really do custom a model for you, but right now it's like 1-to-1. So I'm going to show you what I have now after this thing, because we got it changed out already. So we have some connections not connected, of course, but no, the leak is getting worse. All right, and the time of the filming this video, it wasn't that bad. The day after, it's actually worse. So it's probably within 2 to 3 days that we discovered this thing. Yes, the bottom ring over there is corroded as well too, and I think these are called branch adapters. All right, and what I'm told also, when they discontinued the model, they stopped selling that. So you only could get a half-inch connection. So I don't know. There's a way to convert these. First of all, not many people in our area does PEX plumbing or even know how to do anything like these over here, right? So that's something to note. So this is the labeling, all right? So this wraps around the two metal surfaces there. And installation wise is also a pain. It's quite expensive. If you have 1-to-1 to change, is one person quoted me 1,800, which I don't know how it became that pricey, but it was that pricey. And these units, I found that the half-inch one, just the unit itself is about $400, and there are a number of places you could Google and probably find who sells it, right? It's not going to be on your Home Depot or Lowe's or anything like that easily, so you're going to search for it. But the big problem I do want to point out is buyer beware. If you switch into one of these, they're going to leak one day if you're going for plastic. Sorry for the company that makes this product. It's been great for 18 years, pretty much. Not exactly 18 years I have it, but it's about 18 years. Okay, so but you don't have an alternative how to get out of this thing and at a lower cost. And not a lot of people know to install these special type of manifolds. So that's something to note. So what did I change to, right? Well, I have my plumber, thankfully, thank God, and he changed it to copper manifold. It's not the mega block, which is related to the Vega. So not all of them are 1-to-1, unfortunately. So that's the video surprise. Hopefully this video helps somebody out there. Please leave a comment to something to share. And I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.